Guys, today I've got something super exciting to talk about. This is the UGREEN 300 watt Nexode 5-port PD GaN fast charger. And you know what, guys? This little powerhouse is going to change the way you charge your devices, so stick around to find out why. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today we are looking at the Nexode 300 watt 5-port PD charger from UGREEN. Now, if you don't know UGREEN, well, they make a ton of different chargers, power banks, cables, and lots more. Now, before we get into it, UGREEN sent me this 300 watt charger to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And you know, guys, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, I gotta say, this is a pretty heavy and solid box. Opening it up, and we have the charger in a box section, which I'm just gonna take out for now. Then we've got another section underneath, which has some paperwork, a pretty heavy duty mains cable and plug. I mean, let's face it, this thing is kicking out 300 watts. So you're gonna need a pretty beefy mains cable to deal with all of that. And guys, we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable also. Now guys, taking a quick look around this beauty, well, I can tell you now, this Nexode charger from UGREEN is compact and it's a high-powered charging solution that is perfect for tech enthusiasts and, you know what, anyone looking to simplify their charging setup. With a nice compact design, it's actually beautifully finished in black and silver. On the bottom you've got some rubber feet, so it's nice and secure, and on the back you've got the mains socket where you plug that cable into, and it's one of those circular ones, so sort of not proprietary, but you know, not like the normal figure 8 pin. And then guys, you've got all of those 4 USB-C PD ports on the front and a Type A port. Now, point to note guys, that the maximum power delivery you're going to get from this is 140 watts from a single port. And in fact, all of the ports are labeled with their maximum output, so no worries there. Also, another point to note, if you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 devices all plugged in simultaneously, each of the ports will intelligently manage the power distribution of those outputs. But in terms of the maximums, the C1 port supports up to 140 watts, C2 and 3 support up to 100 watts, C4 up to 45 watts, and the USB-A port will deliver up to 22.5 watts. Now guys, take a look at this. I've got my smartphone, tablet, and even a MacBook Pro all charging at once. No more juggling multiple cables, chargers, whatever, or waiting for one device to charge before you can charge the next, or even having messy trailing extension leads for multiple chargers. Now let's talk about those USB-C PD ports. Now these are powered by GaN, that's Gallium Nitride technology, which means faster, more intelligent and efficient charging in a smaller form factor. And as I've stated before guys, GaN chargers are incredibly efficient. They generate less heat and take up less space than traditional chargers, which, you know what, to me is kind of a no-brainer. And when it comes to safety guys, the UGREEN Nexode 300 watt charger is equipped with over voltage, over current and short circuit protection, keeping all of your devices safe throughout that charging process. And you know what, when it comes to charging speeds, this charger is a real speed demon, delivering up to 300 watts of power and as fast as your devices can take it. So you know what, I use a 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 Max, and I was charged up to about 50% in around 40 minutes. And you know what? That is not bad, because you know what? I know it's Apple hype, but these batteries in these new computers really do last all day. So if I can get half a day's usage out of a 40-minute charge, I'm happy. And of course, it's not just for Apple users, right? This Nexode charger works seamlessly with a wide range of devices from various manufacturers, and you know what? It automatically adjusts the power output to suit each charging device, optimizing the charging speed and keeping everything safe. So whether you're Team Apple, Team Android or Team whatever, this charger has got you covered. And so guys, there you have it. The UGREEN Nexode 300 watt 5-port PD GaN fast charger, in my opinion, is a game changer in the world of charging. With its blazing fast speeds, multiple ports, compact design and robust safety features, it's an excellent addition to your tech arsenal. And you know what? It's going to look great on your desk as well. And the best part? It won't even break the bank. I will leave any product links and discounts in the product section below. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to UGREEN for sending me this pretty awesome and fantastically useful desk charger. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. This is staying on my desk, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.